The topic is how to get rid of frustration. This is one of the most important and remarkable topic. You have to concentrate, you will understand each and everything. Yes, frustration, it depends upon the people, how they deal it. If you have done something wrong in your life, always remember the first and important point, that is, you are not the first one that you have committed this mistake in your life. But I have seen a lot of personality, they committed suicide. What is the need of suicide? You have to find out the solution. The wise people, they find out the solution rather than to suicide. You have to console yourself. Nobody will console you until you will console yourself. And life is all about difficulties. You have to face the problem in order to achieve your goal. Wise people analyze their mistakes, and coward people start weeping when they committed something wrong in their life. If you have committed mistake in your life, it means automatically frustration will come. But always remember, the successful people, they always face the difficulties, then they get success. Without difficulties, is it possible to get success? Never, never, never. You never get success without difficulties. Obviously, you will face difficulties, then you will get success. This point, keep it in your mind always. When you are nothing, a lot of people will criticize on you. They will say, oh, you are doing it, it is impossible. They will say like that. When you will become something, try to understand, we never say to anyone, please clap for me. They start clapping by himself because you have done something special in your life. You are the one that you can omit the frustration. It depends upon you what interests you. Once go to do it, then you will see slowly and gradually frustration will decrease. Once go to implement it, you will find out the result. Never lose heart. Try to do it continuously. You will find out the result with the passage of time. Always remember, time wait for none. Try to do something special in the world, because easier thing anyone can do, easy task in the world. You should do something unique in the world that the people will shocked and surprised that wow, what he has done. Whoever is listening me, they have desires, they have emotions, they want to get something special, but always remember, it needs efforts, it needs untiring efforts, it needs endeavor struggle. Then you will achieve your goal, otherwise it is impossible. If you go to watch a lot of videos, you will find on internet how to motivate ourselves, how to get rid of frustration. Just I want to tell you one thing, just go to do it and you will find out the result. That is, what interests you, go to do it. Then you will see, you will satisfy, you will complacent yourself, you will find out yourself. And you should not share your problems with anyone, because a lot of people, they will criticize on you. But you have to adopt, you have to build this a bit in yourself, that you have to console yourself. This is one of the important habit. Wise people always, they think unique. They want to do something special. Never give up. Try to keep it continuously until you will accomplish your goal. Whatever I said, once go to implement and remember me in your prayer. Best of luck.